For an SKP, you are slipping a stitch knitwise, knitting the following stitch, and then you are going to slip or pull the slipped stitch over the knit stitch. It will end up looking like a left-leaning decrease like this. So let's demonstrate. The pattern that I'm doing has a yarn over first, so first I'm going to do my yarn over. Then I'm going to slip that first stitch knitwise. So you're going to come in from the bottom as if you were to knit the stitch, but you're just going to slip it off the needle. Then you're going to knit the next stitch normally, so you have your knit stitch and your slip stitch. You're going to grab that slip stitch and you're going to pull it over the knit stitch and let it drop down. And then you'll have a left-leaning decrease. All right, so let's do that one more time. You're going to slip the first stitch knitwise, you're going to knit the second stitch, and then you are going to grab and pull that slip stitch over the knit stitch. And that's it. It's not that complicated or scary. If you have any questions or anything, let me know, and happy knitting.